What's going on, guys? In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to multiply a set of 3 polynomials using the box method. So let's go ahead and jump right to it. So you'll remember in the previous videos, I outlined 5 steps on how to multiply a set of 2 polynomials using the box method. We're going to do pretty much the same thing, but we're going to be using the box method twice. And I'll show you what I mean. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to use the box method for the first two polynomials. Okay, so I'm going to use the box method for x minus 3 and x plus 2. And I know that the first step is creating my box, so I need to identify my degree for the first polynomial. That's going to give me my height. And the degree for the first polynomial is going to be 1 because it's the highest power, x to the first power. And for my height, it's going to be 1 plus 1 more. So the degree plus 1 more, which is 2. Then my degree for my second polynomial, which is going to give me my length, is also going to be 1, and the length is the degree plus 1 more, which is also going to be 2. So they're easy enough. We're going to go ahead and create our box now. And then for step 2, we need to write the polynomials we're multiplying on the outside edges of the box. So I'm going to go ahead and do just that. So on the left side, I'm going to put x, negative 3. And on the top, I'm going to put x and then positive 2. Step 3, multiply to get each box's value. So x times x is going to give me x squared. Then x times 2 is going to give me 2x. Negative 3 times positive x is going to give me negative 3x. And then negative 3 times positive 2 is going to give me negative 6. So now that I've multiplied all the values and I've gotten the box's values, step number 4 asks us to combine like terms. So as you guys remember, the like terms can be found on the diagonals of our box. So I'm going to go ahead and go on to step number 5 as I'm combining my like terms. So I'm going to put x squared, and then I have negative 3x plus 2x, which is going to give me negative 1x or negative x. And then I'm just going to bring down the negative 6 because it doesn't have a like term to combine with. All right, so we multiplied the first and the second polynomial. And as I mentioned, for this specific problem, we're going to need to use the box method 2 times. So we're going to go on to using the box method the second time. And we're going to bring down this third polynomial, the x plus 4. We're going to bring it down so that we can multiply it with the newly generated polynomial. So I'm going to go ahead and move some stuff around here. I'm going to take this x squared minus x minus 6, and I'm going to put it down here. I'm also going to change the color to all black. And then I'm going to put parentheses. And then I'm going to bring down that x plus 4. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use the box method a second round to then combine this, the polynomial that we just found with the third polynomial, and we're going to do the same thing. Step number 1 is to create our box, but we need to find our degree or our highest power for each polynomial. So the degree for this one is going to be 2. So our height is going to be the degree plus one more, which is going to give us 3. For our length, we need to get the degree of x, and which is x to the first power. So the degree in this case is going to be 1, and our length is going to be the degree plus one more, which is going to be 2. So now that we have our height and our length, let's go ahead and create our box. All right, now that I've created our box, we're going to go ahead and write the polynomials that we are multiplying on the outside of the box. So I'm going to put x squared minus x minus 6, and then I'm going to put x plus 4. So we're going to go ahead and now multiply the terms to get our values. So x squared times x is going to give me x to the third. X squared times 4 is going to give me 4x squared. Negative x times x is going to give me negative x squared. And then negative x times 4 is going to give me negative 4x. All right, negative 6 times x is going to give me negative 6x. And negative 6 times positive 4 is going to give me negative 24. Okay, so now that we've multiplied, the next step is to combine like terms by looking at our diagonals. So we know that we can combine this negative x squared with this positive 4x squared, and we can also combine this negative 6x with this negative 4x. So I'm going to go ahead and go on to step number 5 and write my new polynomial, which is going to be x to the third, and then negative x squared plus 4x squared is going to give me positive 3x squared. Negative 6x minus 4x is going to give me negative 10x. And then I'm just going to bring down the negative 24. And there you have it, guys. This is our new polynomial after we've gone and used the box method for a second time. So hopefully you found this video tutorial helpful on how to multiply a set of 3 polynomials using the box method. Stay tuned for more video tutorials. Take care.